Welcome back. A Delhi University student was allegedly beaten to death by his girlfriend's family members who objected to their friendship. Identified as Rahul Rajput, the 18-year-old was physically assaulted by the girl's family on Wednesday. He was then admitted to BJRM Hospital in Jahangirpuri, where he succumbed to his injuries. Post-mortem report reveals that the rupturing of spleen led to the death of the victim. The victim's family has now registered a case against the girl's family. While the victim's family has claimed that the duo were in a relationship, the girl's family has completely denied the love affair angle. Even Delhi police has hinted at the love affair angle in the murder case. The police has now arrested 2 accused and apprehended 3 juveniles in this case.
निष्पक्ष जांच मैं जब मानूंगा जब वो जो 10-15 बंदे हैं वो सारे के सारे पकड़े जाने चाहिए और उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। ये नहीं कि आज पकड़ लिया और उसको कल जाके छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। मतलब कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए उसको। पुलिस ने कार्रवाई की, जो मैंने आपको बताया ना कि सुबह से शाम हो गई कंप्लेंट लिखने के लिए भी, शाम को जाके 6 बजे कंप्लेंट लिखी गई हमारी।
लड़के गए थे, बाद में उसके भाई गए थे बचाने, तो उस टाइम वो मार चुके थे। फिर उसके बाद उसके भाई उसको ले आए घर पे लाने के बाद थोड़ी देर बाद उसकी तबीयत सी खराब हुई तो उसको डॉक्टर के पास ले गए। डॉक्टर के पास ले जाने के बाद थोड़ी दवाई दी डॉक्टर ने, इंजेक्शन लगाया, तो उसके बाद घर ले आए। फिर अचानक फिर दोबारा उसकी तबीयत खराब हो गई। फिर उसको जहांगीरपुर जगजीवन नाम में लेके गए।
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो वहाँ पे फिर उसकी ज़्यादा सीरियस खराब हो, किसी चीज़ में लगा, कोई चीज़ ऐसी लगी उसके जो बंदी हो गई उसकी वजह से। 12 बजे तक आज तो बता रहे हैं, रात के 12 बजे तक एक्सपायर हो गया।
Milan Sharma is getting us this tragic story. Milan, this is coming from nowhere but the national capital, Delhi. I mean, if this is the state of the national capital, we can only imagine the rest of the country as well. This is a brutal killing. This is an assault. This is an alleged murder of a victim who was whose only fault perhaps was in the eyes of the perpetrators that he was in a relationship.
Well, yes, Chaiti, very tragic events, as you just pointed out, but certainly the issue here is that the family doesn't know who these people were who assaulted the boy who has now succumbed to his injuries. And right now I'm standing outside the family's home. We'd like to give you an update that the police authorities are here and they are meeting with the family because initially the family had said that even though Rahul was beaten and assaulted, the complaint was not being registered. The mother has told us that the complaint was not being registered on the basis that he didn't have major external injuries. But only after the post-mortem it was revealed that yes, he died due to the rupturing of his spleen and there were heavy internal injuries that he had sustained. Now, as far as the investigation is concerned, 5 people have been apprehended. 3 of them are minors and we cannot name them. But the family says that they were not aware of this particular girl who is being named in this case right now, and they were not even aware of who these men were. The assault happened not too far away from the house because the boy was called out on the pretext of meeting somebody. He used to take tuition classes. He was a young, bright boy.
All right.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.